tell you this story for a very specific reason. I tell you this story to share with you something that I stumbled upon through my consistent and persistent process of achieving success through failure.
from my own life. And the very first thing that comes to mind is that it's painstaking. It really is. It's tough. I built my business because it helped me achieve my purpose.
When I came here, I really didn't know what to expect, but I'm glad that I went through the whole day engaged, because it was a very valuable experience for me.
I think I've never attended anything like this before, no session. I have no reference point to compare this experience that I had today, and I think it's an amazing game.
From the perspective of team building, I think this is one of the best team building sessions that I've ever attended.
I've gone through a number of these types of trainings in the past, and I have to say that this one was one of the most well thought out. And
this is about how does the self impact the group. That is very, very powerful once you figure out the individual dynamics within your environment.
When we played the game, clearly teamwork was critical. If we don't have empathy, the teamwork will not happen as naturally.
Very well thought out and extremely engaging.
We had a couple of stated goals and a couple of unstated goals for this session, and I think we have achieved all those goals with involved.
The virtual reality piece,
moving the phone around and seeing the scenery behind changing.
Was a big differentiator when I look at other learning programs that I've been a part of.
The game was very well designed. We had a lot of realistic scenarios built in.
I can feel and see the contribution, participation from all participants is a lot more than normal team buildings or even sessions.
The approach actually made her want to come for the next day, because it was something different.
If our leaders could do the same thing back in the office, we could strategize, collaborate the way we did over the last 2 days, the Seniaga will be a great cup much earlier than 2019, and I'm looking forward to that. And I'm confident we can do it.
It's not knowledge per se, it's more like sharing feelings, experience. That it's important to make sure that the whole company grows.
I would definitely plan on having something in this type of immersing experiences done with my entire team, because I think it's something that anybody in the organization could benefit from.
I think Evolve can be used as a strategy tool for any industry. I think you cut horizontally across all verticals. It is a session to think strategically, and in every single vertical business there is a component of strategy involved. So most definitely I see this being applicable to any other industry.
I think it was a great day well spent, and thanks so much Mohsin for inviting me, and I think I had a great time and I highly recommend it.
I would prefer immersive learning, and I would highly recommend it.
I would certainly recommend this